Okay, let's get back to work. I have to tell you a secret. While you were on potty break, I was actually using my heat tool to hurry up. I was heating it from the back of the image to just go ahead and dry it so I could show you how to go ahead and go in. I've got my holiday red now. We had added the bubble gum. So we're going to add our second color. I had forgot to add in the second color when I was coloring it, so we'll just drop some in now, which is another thing I love about watercolor. Okay, so we've dropped our color down. Now I'm just going to, got my clean wet brush. I have a little curl to my watercolor paper now. And I'm just going to drop this in here. Now my color, the intensity of my red is, I think, a little stronger because it's not blending. I didn't do both of those steps at once. So I've got a little more water in there to blend that, or to soften it, not to blend it, to soften it. Okay, the other thing that I love, love, love about after a color has dried and you go in and add another color on top of it, you can get this really cool line to be on there. That's how they get some of those really cool watercolor looks. But if you don't want a sharp line like that, you can just add water here and blend it out. But if I wanted that really sharp line, which I think is totally cool, you can just add your water here and soften it. And that's how you soften that. So super, super simple to do that. And now we're going to take our Sun-Kissed Yellow. Just going to drop it in on our curtain areas here and get some on our door. We don't really have a rhyme or reason. Sunflower is what we're using next. I know that my darker colors, more of my shadowy, obviously. I want some of that darker down here. And I have to be really careful because this is still wet, and if I cross that over, those are going to bleed together very, very quickly. And then I'm going to have a big blob on my image. I'm going to wet my brush here and just pull that into each other. Let those marry. I'm going to just touch a little water right there. I'm kind of nervous. I'm going to just let that sit a minute. I'm not going to color the door yet. Okay, and then you know how I'm going to do the Happy Camper, just like the lettering we did on